The White House has announced plans for National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan's visit to India to discuss US-India priorities, marking a significant milestone that highlights the strengthening connections between the two countries. The high-profile visit comes hot on the heels of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's historic third consecutive term victory, marking a pivotal juncture in bilateral relations. As more than 650 million Indians exercise their political rights, contributing to a historic election turnout, President Joe Biden applauded Indian democracy. In a congratulatory call to PM Modi on Wednesday, President Joe Biden sent his best wishes and congratulations on the overwhelming election victory. During the conversation, the president alluded to Sullivan's impending visit by highlighting the common interest between the United States and India that will be the focus of the two countries' discussions. In order to emphasize a shared commitment to promoting security, stability, and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific region and beyond, Sullivan's visit is strategically intended to strengthen the comprehensive and global strategic partnership between the United States and India. Furthermore, this visit will also address governmental ties and mutual priorities, including fostering a dependable strategic technology collaboration. The White House announced that President Biden and Prime Minister of India have reaffirmed their unyielding commitment to fortifying the comprehensive and global strategic partnership between the United States and India. Meanwhile, PM Modi expressed his gratitude for President Biden's warm words and emphasized the strength of the India-US comprehensive global partnership. He highlighted the potential for the partnership to achieve new milestones in the years ahead, reaffirming their commitment to collaboration for world peace. While the White House providing more details summarized a common resolve to work together to address new challenges and negotiate the complicated global environment, the high-profile meeting highlights the strengthening relations between the two countries and also paves the way for increased collaboration in a number of fields such as technology and defense. The India-US cooperation becomes a powerful engine for prosperity on both a regional and global scale, with both leaders restating their dedication to democratic values, mutual respect, and trust.